ConnectMe QR has an internal commitment amongst our staff to maintain our own educational component in the community, and they've played a big part in that, in laying out the language so that it's accessible to everyone, so that it's not just for the techs. You know, I'm a tech geek. These guys enjoy the tech world as well, but we really do want to make it accessible for a mom and pop bread shop. You know, we want to make it accessible for bakeries as much as we do for Fortune 500s. And so we are going to be implementing a lot of language, a lot of marketing investment into making sure that the public really understands every single component of this, all the way down to the fact that they need to understand that they need to have a smartphone. They need to have a QR reader enabled on their phone, and of course we recommend the ConnectMe QR reader. And then they also need a internet signal. And that's important, and so we do a lot of even on the app itself. We have very down-to-earth instructions. You won't see any with the ConnectMe QR experience. You're not going to see error messages that have sequences of digits and random characters. You're going to see English in the case of the U.S. distribution. So we're very proud of that, and that it really has been a vision of MMS as well as the educational component. And we couldn't agree more. We think that in order to really get this QR code out of the hands of the adapters, the early adapters, and really kind of really help the early adapters bring it out into their communities, as they're almost ambassadors, really, the early adapters, and to help those ambassadors, if you will, get the rest of the community on board. We're hoping to be that vehicle. We're hoping to become the educational resource that people can point to and say, hey, mom, dad, or hey, son, here's this technology that I've been talking about, and here's how it applies to you. Just watch this video or read this small little instructional piece, and then it'll walk you through on how to get started.